Hi guys, Ange here. Thanks for joining me and welcome to my channel. Really appreciate you joining me today. Now this is another random video. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but I feel like filming random videos. I have got a tray of beauty blenders. I love using beauty blenders for applying my foundation, and I've got one that's on the way out. So this is what a new beauty blender looks like, and this is what my sad old faded beauty blender looks like here. Now I have heard a lot of people who have cut these open to see what is inside them, and that's what I'm going to do today. I've never done it before. I am very fastidious with the cleansing of my beauty blenders, as I do get blemishes and have a lot of trouble with my skin. I don't want to be going to a lot of trouble with my skincare just to be using dirty tools on my face and discrediting everything else I do. So what I tend to do is I'll say I use my beauty blender today. It goes in a wee bowl on my sink in my bathroom. In the morning when I want to use it again, I will wash it with a cleansing bar that I have in the bowl. That way it is cleansed and I am soaking it, or I am wetting it, ready for application for my makeup that day as well. So it's usually less than 24 hours that I wash my beauty blender. So new beauty blender. What are we going to find with this? So okay, so I don't know what I'm going to find in here. Hopefully I have been cleaning them enough and I'm not going to get any horrid surprises. So we'll try and cut it right down the middle down here. Please let it be clean. I haven't been cleaning it very well at all. Although it is on the inside and not round the outside, but there is a bit of foundation in the centre there, but like a core of a pear, to be honest. But the outside is pretty clean, so maybe that's learning me a lesson that I just need to be a bit more diligent with my cleaning. And maybe that's what I will do from now on, just a little bit longer. And obviously where I am applying the foundation, bouncing it on, I am not doing a very good job because it's all sitting around the edge where I do use it on my face, and I had cleaned this one, so that's a bit of a worry. So I will take extra care in cleaning my beauty blenders in the future, and maybe I will start with this new one and take extra special care cleaning it, and we'll come back and have another cut of this one, seeing if I've done a better job keeping it clean next time. Okay guys, really brief video, really random video, but interesting. Thanks guys for joining me. Hope you've had a beautiful and wonderful day. Take care guys, see you later. Bye.